Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. Today's date is 7th 8 2021. As you know, we have been doing lesson number 4, Mowgli joins the wolf pack from the textbook. Today we are going to summarize especially the characters, we are going to summarize it. So the learning outcome of today's class is students will be able to identify the characters and explain the relationships according to the story. So this story, Mowgli joins the wolf pack. It is an extract from the book, The Jungle Book. It's a book, it's a story book, and this is only just a small part from the storybook, The Jungle Book. So it has been taken from that. Extract means it has been taken from that book, The Jungle Book. So when we have discussed this story, it is just a small part of the story. If you want to read the whole story, then you will have to go through the Jungle Book, and I would definitely recommend you to read the Jungle Book. So remember one thing, Mowgli joins the wolf pack itself is not a story, but it has been extracted from the book, The Jungle Book. So this book, The Jungle Book, the story, it has been written by Rudyard Kipling. So the writer of this Jungle Book is Rudyard Kipling. That means the writer of Mowgli joins the wolf pack story is Rudyard Kipling. Then we come to the characters. Now this story has many characters, but if you go through the Jungle Book, there are lots more, but according to the Mowgli joins the wolf pack, we will be having only 8 characters in the story. And these are, most of these are animals except one person, that is the man's cub. So let us check the characters. So we have Mother Wolf, then we have the Father Wolf, Sher Khan, man's cub whom we call Mowgli, then Tabaki the jackal, Akela, the leader of the wolves. So Akela was the leader of the wolves. Then we have Balu, the brown bear, and Bagheera, the black panther. So as you know, as we have discussed, Mother Wolf and Father Wolf are the parents. Sher Khan is the enemy of Mother Wolf and Father Wolf. So he used to kill animals, and there is a law of the jungle, right? Law of the jungle is one of the most important thing in this story, and Sher Khan is the enemy because he does not follow some of the rules, the law of the jungle. Then we have the man's cub. Now here we have called cub. Why this cub? Because it's a story of animals, and when we talk about the babies of the animals, especially wolves, tigers, lions, we call them as cubs. So they don't know that that particular baby is called baby. That human being, the small human being is called baby. So they call it as man's cub, and whose name is Mowgli. Then we have the Tabaki the jackal. He is like an informer. So Tabaki the jackal, Akela. There was a leader of the wolves, right? Wolf pack has a leader, and that is Akela. And we have the Balu. Balu is the brown bear, who is a bear, but his color is brown. And then we have the Bagheera, who is the black panther. So these are the characters. Please remember these characters and how they are linked with one another. And then we have the locations. So the locations are also a very important part in this story. So we have the Seeonee Hills. Seeonee Hills is the place where Father Wolf and Mother Wolf lives in. Seeonee Hills. Then the second is Sher Khan lives near the Wagunga River. And then the third one, we have the Council Rock. Now remember one thing, the law of the jungle tells that Sher Khan cannot enter the Seeonee Hills without the permission, right? He cannot come to the Seeonee Hills and hunt. So there was the law of the jungle. But he didn't took permission, but he just came to Seeonee Hills for hunting. So remember one thing, Father Wolf and Mother Wolf belongs to Seeonee Hills, and Sher Khan lives near the Wagunga River. And the third one is the Council Rock. Council Rock serves a very important place in this story because in this, whatever happens, suppose if we are having a meeting in our school, we go to the conference hall, right? If something is held in an office meeting or some kind of important discussion, then all the people go to the conference room because that room is particularly for the meeting or some kind of important discussion. Similarly, the animals in the Jungle Book, they also have a particular place, especially Father Wolf and Mother Wolf, they have a particular place where they take the major decisions and they introduce their babies by putting them on the Council Rock. So that is why this Council Rock serves a very important place. So these are some of the important points from the lesson. This is all for today's class. Thank you.